Welcome to MajestyBeauties.com. Majesty Beauties, Majesty Hair Tea. So today I figured I'd show you guys a quick how-to on how I package my lashes to go out. So today's Black Friday and we're doing the 5 for 25 sale. So I got 5 lashes here and I just wanted to show you guys how I send off my packaging for shipment. Okay, so first and foremost, I have this box here. Now this box I ordered by mistake thinking that it was big enough for my wigs. But you'll see it's nowhere near big enough for my wigs. So I use it to send off my lashes because technically my lashes is a separate company from my hair company, but they all work within the same website. So it's Majesty Lash Teak within Majesty Hair Teak. So this box I just build really quickly. And as you can see, I think it's like a 4x4 or something like that, or a 6x6. It's really, really small. So I don't use it for anything other than my lashes. So what I do, so I have my lashes, my lash box here already created. Okay. Then I measure out maybe about a little longer than a foot of ribbon. And I cut the ribbon. And then what I would do is like cut a little slice in the middle of the ribbon so it'll have like a pretty effect to it. Nothing too serious, but I kind of like little details. So I cut like a little triangle out of the middle of it. It's not perfect, but it kind of gives it a bit of a character, I guess you would say. And I do that for both sides. So it's not perfect, but it gives it a little bit of a style, I guess you'd say. Okay. So this right here is my little labels for my lash teak. I made it myself on Canva and what was that? PixArt. And I use a basic Avery label. It's the name tags, Avery number 5393. So I use that, put my little label on the top here. So now I have my label on the box. So I take my ribbon, put it across the middle. And I take some tissue. Normally I use white tissue, but I had some pink tissue on hand, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that because this is just a sample right now. So I put the tissue in, and that's how it will look. I take the lashes and I load them in. And right now lashes are 5 for 25 on, sorry, my camera went out on me. So anywho, so I can only fit 4 in here, so I have to get a bigger box. But we're going to do the 4 lashes just to show what I do. So with the 4 lashes, we'll go ahead and we put the lashes in. Then I will take a business card and a thank you card. I would write my thank you note for my customer and have their name in here. Have a nice personalized note. Sometimes I write, you know, tell them how much we love them and thank them for their support. Also, if I've had like a personal conversation with the customer, I would, you know, reference something that we said in our conversation in our notes so they know that it's not just like some generic written note. I would also put my business cards inside of the thank you card. And lately I've been using my little cute, I don't even know what these bags are called, but these bags here. I've been using these, and I would use like a sample edge control, and I would put that in there. I also have like conditioner now, so I'm going to start making conditioner samples. That way when I can send them off to my customers for that. So I would use something really cute like this from the Dollar Tree. And then what I do is I label, write the name of the product right on top of there. So I'm actually going to do that now. So we will put your little cute little label on top, and then we'll put edge control here. And then we have a little sample that says edge control. Okay? So we'll put it in there. Close it off. And stick it along the side. So then I close this off. Tie a little bow. Tuck in my side so it's really neat. So now you have a cute little bow. Take this here. And definitely always have like the picture facing forward when they open it because it's so cute. I never lick my envelopes closed. I kind of just do it like a cute little tuck in motion. And so it's easier for them to rip out. And then I'll tuck it in under the bow, like so. So their name will be on it and everything. So it'll come out like this. And then I go ahead and I close it down. Now sometimes, depends on if I have any lash at the lash applicators, I'll throw a lash applicator in there. I would throw in some coupons, and I would also throw in just a little another flyer or something that's telling you about the other products that we have. But this is just a quick sample of what I would do. Then I would take this and put it in our hot pink mailer envelopes, weigh it, and send it off to our customers. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty simple. But this is how I send off our products, well, our lashes to our customers. And, you know, it's just a little touch of me. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Please stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay with us. And we'll see you in the next video.